Question 23. A certain number has exactly 8 factors, including 1 and itself. 2 of its factors are 21 and 35. What is the number? So we've got 21 and 35. We're going to look at the factors of 21 and 35, the prime factors. They are the only factors. Well, you've got 1 and 35, 1 and 21. These are the factors we're looking for. 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 equals 105. So we're going to assume that the number is 105. It is one of the numbers on the answers. So we're going to assume it's the first multiple. Because we've got other numbers that are here are also multiples. You can see we've got 210, etc. So I'm going to look at multiples of 21. There are different ways of doing this. And we're looking for the lowest common multiple. So we do get to 105 here. We're going to divide it by 7. Because we want to find the factor pair. I guess, let me show you this first. 105. We're looking at all the factors because we want to find out if there are 8. That's what the question asks for. So we've got obviously 1 and 5. We haven't got 2. We've got 3. We can add the digits together. So we know we've got 3. First of all, though, I'm going to look at 35. And I know that 35 multiplied by 3 is a factor pair. 105, we can divide that to find out if it's, we can look at 5. We know that 21 is a factor of 5, then 7. 6 definitely isn't. Let's look at 7, and this is a factor. So 7 here and 15. Not 8, not 9, not 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So therefore, these are all the factors of 105. We're looking for 8 factors. Therefore, the number is 105. And the answer there is 105 is A.